Dear children, in the previous class, we were doing the lesson A Story of Courage, and that story is about Harjit Singh, who came to Paris with his family, with his father and mother, and he was very much upset to leave India. And he was joining his new school. He also lost his bag, not actually lost, but his bag was exchanged with Perry, and they met in the school, and they get to know that their bag was with each other. So today we will continue, and today let's try to complete page number 14. Let's see. That day, Perry made sure that Harjit knew all about what to expect from his new school, and he introduced him to lots of new friends. During lunch break, Harjit asked about the imposing metal building he had seen the previous evening and in all of the pictures at school. That is the Eiffel Tower, Perry said, barely disguising the pride in his voice. It was originally built for a world exhibition to celebrate the French Revolution, but these days it is an amazing tourist attraction, and my mama says that it is one of the most romantic setting in the world. People come from all over. So the day when Harjit went to the school, he met Perry. I told you in the previous class. So Harjit, what he did, he took Harjit with him to the school, and he introduced him with lots of new friends. So during the lunch break, Harjit also asked, because that thing was in his mind, about the metal building which he saw on the road and which he saw in the kitchen. So he asked about the imposing metal building, and Perry told to Harjit that the metal building is Eiffel Tower. So he said with barely disguising pride, so in his voice. So he said that it was built for a world exhibition. So for what? For world exhibition to celebrate the French Revolution. So Perry also told that these days this Eiffel Tower is becoming an amazing tourist attraction, and his mother, Perry's mother, told to Perry that it is the most romantic setting in the world, because people come from all over the world to take photographs to see the Eiffel Tower. So at the end of the day, Harjit arrived home, and he tell his parents of the wonderful experience. Of what experience? Wonderful experience, because he was thinking that when he will go to school, he will meet lots of new friends, and they will be very much strange with him, and he will not understand their language. But it was opposite of that, because he was very much happy in the school, and he experienced lots of new things, and he also came to know about the metal building. Papa, I didn't think that anyone would be interested in what I have to say or where I come from, but I was wrong, and you were right, it is an adventure. So Harjit came running and told to his father, Papa, I thought that no one was interested from where I came and where I belong to, but I was wrong, because everybody was interested about India, and everybody was asking about, and it was an adventure. That night, as he stretched out on his new bed and listened to the gentle rumble of cars in the street below, Harjit was almost too excited to sleep. Perry had asked him to stand up in class the next day and help explain all about India. He had met so many new friends, and he looked forward to learning about life in France and speaking a new language. He still missed home, but he had begun to understand how a little courage, a little understanding, and an open mind could help him grow as a person. This was indeed the start of a whole new adventure. So what happened that night? Harjit went to bed, and he stretched his arm out on his new bed, and he was listening to the gentle sound of the rumble of the cars in the street below, because his building was nearby the street. He was also excited to sleep, because next day he wanted to go to school. So what happened next day? Perry asked Harjit to stand up in the class and help him to explain about India, because Perry was asked by his teacher to explain about India, because he went on holiday there. And Harjit also met many new friends, and he told about India, and he also loved to learn about life in France and speaking a new language. Though he still miss home, but what happened? He feel very much happy, and he got a lot of courage, lot of understanding, and he could have an open mind, which helped him to grow a good person. So this was indeed a start of a whole new adventure life of Harjit in Paris. So this was written by whom? Judge Parmer. So children, today we completed the chapter A Story of Courage, and I hope you are clear with the explanations. So if you have any doubt regarding the explanation, you can get back to me as per the time mentioned. Thank you.